my girlfriend, is one of the sources of my happiness because when we are together, we make those days memorable for us to remember. I am so lucky that I have her, who's always there supporting my goals in life and never tired, encouraging me to comply my tasks. She makes me happy every day because she knows I've been suffering from depression over the last few months and I'm so grateful for that. Not all conflicts that appear in organizations result in negative outcomes. Conflict can also appear in positive in an organization. There are two types of conflict in organization: functional and dysfunctional. Functional conflict is a disagreement that is constructive and healthy and eager to achieve a win-to-win situation with the both parties. When functional, it would result in awareness of both sides of the issue, solving issue together, making innovations and improvements within the organizations, and improvements of working conditions. While dysfunctional is a very negative experience that would appear within the organizations. In other words, a win-lose situations. It's a quite unhealthy. In my own experience, last year, when my mother died, it was not a very easy since we were left alone with some paperwork to do, such as death certificate, SS, etc. This time, I was doing it all by myself, but I was still able to manage this kind of conflict by just being calm and patient. Thanks to my grade 12 teachers for being considerate during my hardest situations. Despite this situation, I have become stronger and more independent person. My mind is the ruler of my body. What I dictate inside my mind, my body will follow. It is important to feed our mind with positivity because it affects our actions, and for every action we take, there is a consequence that follows. According to Lao Tzu, watch your thoughts, they become your words. Watch your words, they become your actions. Watch your actions, they become your habits. Watch your habits, they become your character. Watch your character, they become your destiny. And I really agree with this. Others would define me as a responsible, reliable, helpful, and kind individual, which defines my character and shows good terms that describes my virtues.
So hello guys, I have watched the video of James, and all he said in this video, it is all true. I may describe James as a very kind and loving person. He is the person whom you can rely on, especially if you're having hard times. He's just one call away. And I really love him for being himself. And that's all. Thank you.